Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. Wanted to say hi, but I want to talk to you real quick about the automatic vent opener that we have that you can put in your walls, in your end walls to get more ventilation back and forth. This is a small one, but what it is, this black cylinder is wax filled and it expands and contracts, and it will open and close this vent so you can get some airflow. If you have one at the front, one at the back, you're going to get some airflow here. They do make these in larger sizes. I think they go up to 30 inches. I was thinking 24, but they actually do go up to a 30 inch. This is the 12 inch. It's really for a smaller house, but that's what we have for the demo here. So they have 12 inch, 18 inch, 24, and 30. We have some really detailed directions on these on the website. So if you want to learn some more about them, the one thing about this, you need to make sure that this wax cylinder in the winter will be removed. One other thing, the temperatures here. This opens and closes somewhere between 60 degrees and 75 degrees. So when it gets below 60 to 75, it's going to close. When it gets above 60 to 75, it opens. And it will just do it automatically for you. You can adjust it here a little bit also. But just wanted to talk a little bit about that and give you some more information. If you've got any questions about it, give us a call. You can talk to anybody at here and we'll be happy to help you. Again, thank you for your business. We appreciate it. See you next time.